So we're going to do some recap while making some of the chicheria. Recap of the, ano ito, siopaw. Ay, ano, sandwich. Oh my God. Courtesy of Mr. Uno Rodriguez. Say hi, Amir.
Hello.
Say hi to the Emirate.
Hello,
To the live and Emirate Barurut.
Kasama ko pareho ang mga taga-Missosology, mga batikang ano.
Batikang
The
veteran
ex-missosologist.
Veteran actress.
Sige, dito ka.
Uno, huwag ka daw sumama dito, baka maging ex-missosologist ka daw. Kasi sabi ni Adolf, the ex-missosologist. Oh, thank you for the lapang. This is crab sandwich. This is very good.
Mag-recap kayo, magtrabaho kayo para sa
So
channel
who's your
ko.
top performer for today's video?
To this video.
The thrilling top
in no
performer.
particular order.
No particular order.
Baka mabas tayo.
Si Amir muna.
Yung mga gusto na.
Ay, ikaw muna, ma'am.
I honestly like Colombia.
Mm.
Her performance was so
Mm.
okay. I like her in swimwear.
Pero yung national costume niya saka yung gown medyo underwhelming.
Simple siya pero dinala niya ng
Na
todo.
dinala niya ang todo.
Dinala niya. Ganda lang. Ganda.
Dinala sa
Ginandahan
ganda.
niya. Oo, ginandahan niya yon. Sobrang ganda.
Okay.
Friend ko.
Tapos, sino pa? For today's video.
Sarap. And then I also like my sentiment favorite actually is Panama. I don't know why.
It's the reunion.
Ano?
Panama. I don't know why I like her.
Really?
Yeah, I like her.
And?
Of course, Venezuela. But I prefer to have yung medyo nakalugay sa amin. Mas bagay sa kanya. Parang mas malinis tignan sa kanya. She looks young.
Sarap, no?
Parang
Ay, lapit lang. Isang block lang sa 7-Eleven.
Tapos?
For Asia, I think I have Philippines, of course. Ang bongga na natos natin sa sobrang ganda. I love it. Also, her
Rita.
performance in swimwear. And
Ang dami pang ano
ang
kanina.
galing. Another from Asia is also, I think China is doing well.
Sabi din ni Uno.
The gown?
China is doing well.
China is very good.
Yeah, she's doing well.
I mean, because APAM is only focused with countries na with strong high, such factor.
Yeah. I think I like her a lot. China. She was so lovely during her swimwear. I like her performance during swimwear.
Her walk, knowing she's just a replacement, ha? She's just a replacement. Last minute replacement.
Another from Asia is of course Cyrus. I like her performance as well. Pero iba yung dating sa akin na Asia. Hindi parang tahimik lang siya. Pero tinodo niya.
Research?
Yeah. Si Philippines, parang tinodo
Sa Philippines,
niya.
yes.
Kumbaga,
So talagang sabi ni
Ito
Atisa,
yung hinihintay niya na moment.
ito na yung moment
Moment
ng
na yun.
sporan, nandito na tayo.
Where did you order?
Ang gwapo niya sino.
sino yun? Yes. Yes. Sama ko 7-Eleven.
Pero sino nga
Video
siya?
call si
Si Olivia Colton.
Jowa.
So, sino na sa'yo? Palm Hunter. Palm Hunter pa rin ba ngayon? Or Pinoy
Oo.
Hunter na ba?
Thai Hunter na.
Pala akin yan.
Lumaban na sa Thai Hunter.
Hindi verified.
Nala, naka-live tayo.
Baka
Yun talaga
hindi
ang
pa.
question.
Wala naman silang pakialam sa ganyan, yung mga European.
I love your suit, Oli.
So baka hindi na-approve sa verification process. So let's go back to the chika.
Yeah.
For me,
Sa'yo?
my top performer for today would be, apart from Atisa ha, because Atisa did really a very good job for today's video, Puerto Rico. Kasi from Natkos to swimwear, ang energy na sa swimwear iba.
Question, kasama sa ano yun nato?
Sabi, kasama sa sa judging.
Nag-telephone ba kayo? Wala.
And then, yung ano
Hindi
din,
naririnig.
yung ano pa nga ba yung isa? Yung gown. Ang ganda din ng gown ni Puerto Rico. Kaya pasok ang mga eksena. Ha? Ano daw?
Sabi ko, Monica ako dito.
Tapos
Atisa,
dito.
tapos dito iba. Latina.
Hindi siya Atisa, oo. Hindi
Monica
ka Atisa,
Latina.
munyeka lang. So yun ang bet ko for today's video. Chile did a very good job also. Argentina performed as well. Yung mga ano na
I
yun.
think Latinas.
The Latinas performed well. Colombia performed well also, pero underwhelming lang yung ano niya, yung not cost at saka yung gown. Hindi ko bet. Si Turks and Caicos, I did not like the gown as well.
But I think she can make it.
iba. Yeah, for sure.
Turks and Caicos gown reminds me of Bianca Manalo.
Oo, tapos si
Yeah, with the
Cote
ribbon
d'Ivoire.
here.
Oh, with the ribbon.
And Bianca Manalo.
Bianca Manalo during the Miss Universe.
Cote d'Ivoire din. Cote d'Ivoire ang galing.
Performers Cote d'Ivoire. Bravo.
Actually, bravo.
I love her gown.
I love her gown as well.
Yeah, another Leo Almodal.
That's first Leon.
Venezuela is for sure Venezuela.
stable.
Okay, it's a stable top 5. Thailand did a very good job also.
Honestly, I prefer to see Venezuela na different style.
Same stylist. Hindi siya palaging nakalugay ang buhok niya, no?
I think it's better.
She will do it in the finals.
No, kasi mas
They are reserving the best.
yeah, she looks young when
Sarap.
it comes to
Me.
the
Super. This is the
So,
crab
commercial muna tayo.
emerald.
Kasi po yung may-ari ko ng vlog, si Adam Hinato, ay kinukompute na po yung tabulation ng
Oo.
top 30.
Tanungin niyo muna yung ano, yung production values. Nagandahan ba kayo sa stage?
Oo naman.
Hindi
Very
masyado compared sa Miss Grand. Kasi
For
I was
prelims,
Oo, parang mas bongga yung Miss World.
But this is
Oo.
bigger.
This is bigger pero parang yun nga nagkulang yung LED sa taas. Parang yun ang hinahanap ko kasi MUT, Miss Grand, parang ganun ang
Sobrang haba.
dating.
But Nawat has different plans. Pero ang nag-a-approve pa rin is
Oo
MU.
nga,
question.
MU.
Didn't they never ganapin in finals?
Bakit gusto ni Raul na maliit na stage?
Parang the last time, nalito kami kay na, di ba?
Bakit di mo
Iba
tinanong
yun,
sa kanya
diba?
kanina nung nagkita kayo?
Yun nyo,
Ni Raul.
para naman ganun kadaling tanong sa
But
Raul.
still, it was
Iba,
a very
iba
good
yung
stage.
last time yung Patrio na venue, no? Mas
Eh,
malaki.
It's still a better
Impact Arena
stage
yun.
than
Ito Impact Challenger lang, dalawang function room lang to ng SMX eh.
Okay.
But the stage before was just X. Ito sobrang laki.
Okay.
hindi na siya tumatakbo. Ayun.
So, my
But
top
still, it was a better stage
How
compared
about
to
you,
Mexico
Ono?
and
last
the
year.
lighting and everything. My top performers are Puerto Rico, Venezuela, Latina,
Oh, Latina as well. I agree.
Philippines, Thailand, Cote d'Ivoire, China, Colombia. I'm looking at the European.
Oh, I
Portugal,
like, I like Roche.
I don't like her gown, but I still love her.
Portugal is Spain.
Yes. Portugal is near Spain.
Okay, I think
And
Croatia.
Croatia, too.
Croatia, I like Croatia.
Malta, somehow.
Malta, yeah.
Malta
Mhm.
is so beautiful.
France, Spain.
And that guy's
France,
Do you like the
gown.
choice of swimsuits?
Yeah, I love the swimsuit. It was a rainbow emerald ng bench
Oh,
for the
body.
LGBT
The body.
community.
The body is body in.
The body is bodybuilding.
Na-distract, bigla. May dumapo kasing mga afam.
Ang dami ng gwapo, pero parang gwapo
Chile's
din ang
gown,
gusto nila.
very beautiful.
Parang Emma Tiglao sa MPI.
Oo. Na parang roses na malaki-laking eme. I
Meron
love.
isa
I
na
think
gumaya,
it's-
may
I
isa
think
talagang
it's
gumaya
Korean.
na Emma na may
Korean
feathers
so-
na red.
Say Cuba.
I have a question for all of you. If, isa lang ha, sino sa tingin niyo ang best in evening now? Isa lang.
I would go for Atisa.
Nahirapan sila.
Atisa is because Atisa is a contender. Chile is a contender.
Only one.
Kasi I like
Wait, when you say evening gown,
Total package.
it's cliche when they say it's not the gown. It's how you carry it.
It's both. It's both.
And yet, when they saw the gown of Colombia, people said
underwhelming.
underwhelming, but the performance is there. So I'm weighing on
It
that.
needs to be both because it needs to be the gown itself
So
and the
question
way
is
you
who
carry
for
it.
you?
Puerto Rico.
Okay. How about you, Ada?
Yun ang ano?
Best gown.
Best in gown for you.
Turks and Caicos, Trinidad and Tobago, crisp white lang.
Okay.
Kahit na sumama
Kasi
siya,
lang Tobago lang.
Since meron ng
kahit na,
Philippines, I go
kahit
for
na
Cote
pinalakpakan
Cote
niya.
d'Ivoire also.
I go for Cote
Hindi,
d'Ivoire.
Guadalupe.
Ikaw,
Guadalupe.
di ba parang,
Leo Almodal.
alam mo ng Leo Almodal kasi
Ano
parang
yun?
ano,
Yeah.
nice. Congrats kayo. Galing.
Venezuela's down I love because I was there last